I have bought a new power bank. It's 20,000 milliampere hours and it's quite powerful, 65 watts. We will see if it really works as declared. Earlier I had power bank, the same brand power bank, Baseus, and it served me I think 3 years. I was quite happy with that. So let's check what's inside the box. First maybe let's check how a box looks like. Here. Okay, here are all the technical params. Hopefully it's visible. Okay, we can check what's inside the box. Here we have. It looks like that we use super glue. Nice box. Cable. Probably it's Type C. Correct. USB Type C. And then we have power bank. Quite difficult to unpack it with one hand. Beautiful. It's charged to 1%. And what connections we have? We have USB Type A and USB Type C. I think. Don't want to focus. Let's try it. Now it's visible. It's here. Okay, output 45 watts plus 18 watts. Okay, we will test how good is it. Here are stickers. Instruction manual. And probably that's it. Let's start the test. Okay, start charge. Actually, it has only 1% battery life, and power bank has 100%. So we will see what the numbers will be after the phone is fully charged and how long will it take. Already it has charged to 25% and power bank lost only 9%. Yes. And the time is 8:19, so it's charging 15 minutes already. The test is running already for 30 minutes. Yeah, it has charged till 56% and it used 21% of power bank. Okay. The phone was charged to 75%. Power bank lost 28% and it's charging 41 minutes already. Now we have 85%. It's 32% already gone from the battery, but what I wanted to show, the voltage and amperage. Here it's almost 10 volts and 1.6 amperes, so actually it's charging in 60 watts. The power of charging is 70 watts or so. At the beginning it was 2.2 amperes, so probably it was charging more faster, but now when the battery is almost charged, it slowed down, yes. But we have 87% and already 50 minutes has gone. Now we have 91%. Yeah, it took already 54 minutes and on the power bank it left 66%, so means it consumed 44%. Let's look in voltage and amperage. So yeah, we can see that the charging has slowed down. Yes, 9.6 volts and almost 0.9 amperes, 1 ampere. So means the power now it is 9.6 watts. Okay, it has charged to 99%. It's saying that 3 minutes left, and now we can look. It is charging already 1 hour and 14 minutes, and it consumed 37%, so it left 63. Let's look in the voltage. So so it's 9 volts and 0.3.2 amperes. So currently it's charging very slow, but it's probably because the battery is almost full. Let's wait while it will be charged fully. Saying that 1 minute left. Okay, it has fully charged. So it took 1 hour and 16 minutes to charge all this phone, and it consumed 37% of battery. Okay, I can disconnect now the phone. What would be the conclusions? This phone has 5000 milliampere hours battery, and this power bank has, it declares that it has 20,000 milliampere hours. So I don't believe that it's true. Based on the display and number which I see, I could assume that the real capacity of this power bank is around 13,000, not more. 13, maybe 14,000, but not more. Yeah. Now I have another phone, S22 Ultra, and it has 62% of battery life. Let's see what will be power of charging. Okay, so start charging, and let's see in voltage and amperage. Voltage is 10 volts and amperage 2.2 amperes. So that means that the beginning of charging is 22 watts. Yeah, but I believe at the end it will be the same, only a couple of watts. Here is the final test. I will try to connect 3 phones in parallel to this power bank. So what I have Poco F3, I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's start from Poco F3. Okay, charging. Let's check the numbers here. 5 volts, and for some reason it doesn't show anything, any amperage. 0 amperes. 8 volts. Okay, so it was a lag. So actually now it's 9 volts and 1.6 amperes. Right. So it's more than 10 watts. Right, now let's try to connect S22 Ultra. charging. Let's wait a bit. Alright, let's check the numbers. 5 volts and 3.1 amperes. So it's 15 watts in total. And if I would connect the last phone, S24 Ultra, super fast charging. Right, let's wait a bit. So now 3 phones are charging in parallel. What is the power? 9.5 volts and 2.2 amperes. So it's near to 20 watts. So it's nothing close to declared 65 watts. Yes, it's around 20 watts. Full power, 3 phones are being charged in parallel. So don't expect to have such power as it is declared and it's written on the power bank, but still 20 watts, I think it's quite good result, and at least it works for me. So I think that's it what I wanted to show today. If it was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.